Janu Sirsasana is also an asana done in sitting. So here again the starting position is sitting on your bottom, knees straight, feet in front, toes pulled up towards you, weight on your hands, spine straight. Watch that her spine is straight, shoulders level, eyes facing forward, focused. She bends the left leg and makes sure the heel goes to the perineum and the toes are touching the thigh. So the whole sole of the foot is touching the thigh. Left knee bent, weight on your hands. Right leg stretched out, knees locked, toes pointing towards you, arms stretched up, stretching all the way so that the arms are together with the head. No daylight between the arms and the head. Breathing relaxed, getting the asana sthir, and then slowly bending forward to get your hands touching the toes, head touching the floor. Hands can touch the floor as far forward as possible, maximum stretch. And while you're doing this, aim is to try to get the tummy onto the thigh. Hold this in maximum stretch as long as you can. Remember, breathing is relaxed. It will be interesting to observe the breathing as to how the breathing changes, whether it is the right side of the lung or the left side of the lung doing more work in this asana. When you have completed that asana, slowly return back to the starting position. First take the arms up, trunk up, bring the hands down, weight on your hands, and slowly bring the left leg back to the starting position. Now that was Janu Sirsasana basic. Now we are going to move on into Janu Sirsasana with a variation, a spinal twist. Here again the starting position is sitting on your buttocks, knees straight, toes pointing up towards you, pulling towards you, hands beside you, spine straight and erect, looking forward, nice and smiling, breathing relaxed. Now watch the variation, which is slightly different. Vaishali starts with lifting the right leg, and this time getting the right heel near the perineum, and the toes of the right foot should be touching the thigh. At the same time, the left leg should have the knee fully stretched and the foot relaxed. Once you achieve this position, while you are relaxing in your breathing, remember we talk about Sthira Sukham Asanam. When you achieve that stage, then you move on further into the next part of the asana, where you lift the arms up, straight above you, get the spine straight, and in this variation, you do a slight variation. You get the left hand to go outside the leg and the right hand coming from over the head to touch the toes. Looking up or looking forward, that doesn't matter, but stretch the right side of the body to your maximum. Push the body. See if you can get the left hand elbow as straight as possible, taking it below the heel like so, and holding to your maximum. Hold this asana as long as you can. Again, watch the breathing. There will be variations in the breathing. You may breathe from a different part of the lung. So observe. Hold this for as long as you can, and then return to the starting position. That is the end of this asana.